In this video, I'm giving you the magical phrase that instantly aligned you with your dreams. Are you excited for it? Because uh, for any kind of manifestation and manifesting your goals, desires and dreams using the law of attraction, the alignment should be there. And alignment means you should feel happy, joyful, excited about your dreams. Because when you feel aligned, when you get aligned, that's where the manifestation started happening. And I have seen many people getting misaligned and they are breaking the alignment with their dreams and goals regularly. And that is why so many of you have requested, like, AJ, give us something so that will align us with our dreams as quickly as possible. And this video is about it. Are you excited for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And like I said, in this video I'm giving you the magical phrase that instantly aligned you with your dreams. And if you use this phrase continuously for at least 2 to 3 minutes, repeat it, then your alignment will get stronger. And especially those moments where you feel misaligned, where you feel down, where you feel low, that's when it will work like a magic. Always remember the law of attraction. The better you feel, the more you manifest. And that is why in one of my earlier video, I have given you the easiest law of attraction process. And that is, the more happy you are, the faster you will manifest. Now, many people, when they think about their dreams, when they think about their desires, they think about what can go wrong, and especially if you have failed in a relationship, or if your relationship is going miserable, or if you went for some interviews for your dream job or new job and you got rejected regularly, or if you have been appearing for some exam and you are struggling in that, or if you have some health issues and regularly you feel the pain, then it's really difficult for you to get aligned, and that's natural. But if you stay misaligned, or if you stay out of alignment, it's difficult to manifest. That is why we have to get back into the alignment as soon as possible. And here is the phrase that I want all of you to use on a regular basis. And the phrase is, I feel better knowing that. Yes, I feel better knowing that. I feel better knowing that. And then you say the dream that or desire that you have. So it should be like, I feel better knowing that I got my dream job, or I'm getting my dream job, or I'm going to work in my dream job. So say it according to your belief system, whatever make you more comfortable. Some people feel very confident when they say it in the past tense, like I got my dream job. Whereas some other people, they feel doubtful. Oh, I don't have my job. How can I say I got my dream job? So for those people, you can say, I am getting my dream job, or I'm manifesting my dream job. So you have to say like, I feel better knowing that I am getting my dream job, or I am working in my dream job. Same way, I feel better knowing that I have my magical relationship, or I feel better knowing that I am healing my relationship and I and my partner or the particular person are having a joyful and magical relationship. If you are manifesting money, I feel better knowing that I am becoming rich and living an affluent life. Or you can say, I feel better knowing that my business is flourishing, money is flooding, things are working for me. Same way, if you are manifesting new relationship, I feel better knowing that I am manifesting my new relationship. If you desire to be more confident in the social circle or in your work life or with other people, you can say that I feel better knowing that I always feel confident, I always have positive energy, and everyone likes me, love me for being with me. If you are healing some health issues, you can say, I feel knowing that I am perfectly whole, healthy and complete. Or you can say about the particular organ or some body part, something where you have illness, I feel knowing that this part is working perfectly, this particular thing is working perfectly healthy and fit. So, and if you are losing weight, you can say, I feel knowing that I am perfectly slim, healthy, toned, fit, and I have a lot of energy within me. So this is the key phrase, I feel knowing that, and then talk about your dreams. But if you say it just for once or twice, it's not going to create an impact. So that is why you can note it down, and any time in the day, maybe morning, afternoon, evening, just give yourself 2 to 3 minutes and repeat it with your dreams, so that you feel positive vibes. That's the key. If you do it for 2-3 minutes, you feel positive vibe. Now some of you who have a lot of negativity, you may have to do it for 5 minutes, but you do it until you feel excited, only until you feel positive, and that's where the alignment will happen. That's where your energy will go high, because that is the key. So the alignment has to be there. The alignment has to be there with your dreams, and that's where manifestation started happening. So this is a very simple but very effective process, and you must use it on a daily basis to change your vibration and get aligned. And especially those of you who constantly feel disturbed, who constantly feel depressed, who constantly feel overwhelmed and negative and stressful about your dreams not coming true or struggling in your dreams, you people have to use this with utmost dedication. And when you do it, your alignment, your energy will go high, and you will see the magic happening. So right now I want you to write in the comment section and let me know, let the universe know, and let your subconscious mind know that yes, you feel better knowing that, and write your dreams. Remember, in this statement there is the part of feeling. So that when you are saying I feel better, means you are feeling better than your current state, and knowing that means you are not wanting, you are not desiring, you know that this dream is coming true, you know that you are manifesting it. So this is a very powerful process, very powerful phrase, and this will create a magical change in you. So start using it right now. Go to the comment section, write this phrase with your dreams, and if you are desiring for something like this, let me know in the comment section. And you must feel better knowing that you are manifesting your desire. Now I want you to give you some little more examples if you want. If you are manifesting money, you can say, if you are working in a job, you can say I feel better knowing that I have my job, or I feel better knowing that I can pay my bills, I feel better knowing that I am financially secured. Or if it's relationship, you can say I feel better knowing that I have a joyful relationship with my partner, or I feel better knowing that I have a magical relationship with my friends or family members. And if you are manifesting many desires, also you can say that I feel better knowing that all my dreams are coming true. So go ahead, manifest your dreams, use this magical phrase, and let me know in the comment section if you were waiting for something like this. Now those of you who are new here, welcome to our awesome tribe. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you won't miss any notification. And if you want to learn more tools, techniques and processes like this, then you can join my powerful program, Make Your Life Awesome. Check the link in the description section. Thank you. This is Awesome AJ. Stay motivated, stay awesome.